Fuck the chickens.
I didn't believe it. But here you are.
Here I am. Bring me one of those chickens.
You got money to pay for it?
You paid for it?
No. But we're the King's men. So, you got money?
Not a penny. I'll still take that chicken. You're a talker. Listening to talkers makes me thirsty. Can't think I'll take 2 chickens.
You don't seem to understand the situation.
I understand that if any more words come pouring out your chickens, cunt mouth, I'm gonna have to eat every fuck in this room.
You lived your life for the chickens. You're gonna die for some kings.
Someone is.